What if a mining giant promised to eliminate diesel, scrap emissions, and go fully green by 2030? Australia isn't just planning, it's acting. Fortescue just signed a $2.8 billion deal with Liebherr to electrify its massive mining fleet. This is one of the boldest zero-emission moves ever made in heavy industry. Subscribe now, because only by watching to the end will you understand how this plan could reshape global mining forever. The green revolution is rolling, literally. Australia's net zero vision by 2030. Australia has long been known as a resource-rich country, with mining and fossil fuel exports driving much of its economy. But now, it's positioning itself as a climate leader, aiming for net zero emissions by 2050, with major industrial sectors like mining targeting near zero emissions by 2030. At the core of this green transformation is Fortescue Metals Group, one of the world's largest iron ore producers. Through its subsidiary Fortescue Future Industries, or FFI, the company has set out to eliminate fossil fuels from its operations entirely. Their goal is bold: zero emissions across all mining activities by 2030, not 2050, not sometime later, but now. To achieve this, Fortescue is investing billions in green hydrogen, renewable energy infrastructure, and zero-emission mining equipment. This isn't theoretical. Solar farms, wind energy projects, and electrolysis plants are already under construction. What's unique is that Fortescue isn't just buying green tech, it's building it. The Australian government, while still criticized for slow climate action in the past, has increasingly embraced decarbonization as a national priority. Policies now favor renewable energy expansion, and companies that invest in clean technology are being fast-tracked through environmental and infrastructure approvals. The mining sector is key to Australia's net zero push. It accounts for a large portion of the country's emissions due to diesel-powered trucks, generators, and processing facilities. But this also means it holds the greatest potential for impact. Electrifying haul trucks, powering operations with solar energy, and producing green hydrogen on-site could eliminate millions of tons of CO2 annually. Public opinion has shifted too. Australians are demanding real climate action, especially after devastating bushfires and extreme weather events. That social pressure, combined with global market trends, is pushing companies to act decisively, not gradually. Australia's path to zero emissions isn't just a climate story. It's a business strategy, a reputational move, and a technological opportunity. If it succeeds, it will prove that even the world's most carbon-heavy sectors can go green, profitably and at scale. The $2.8 billion deal, Fortescue x Liebherr. In a move that's sending shockwaves through the global mining industry, Fortescue Metals Group has signed a $2.8 billion partnership with Liebherr, the German engineering giant. The goal? To replace Fortescue's diesel-powered fleet with zero-emission mining equipment, and to do it by 2030. This deal is one of the largest green equipment contracts in mining history. It includes the co-development and supply of over 100 haul trucks and excavators, all powered by green hydrogen or electric battery systems. These machines will be custom-engineered by Liebherr to meet the harsh conditions of Fortescue's iron ore operations in Western Australia. But this isn't just a buyer-supplier relationship. It's a collaboration at the cutting edge of decarbonization. Liebherr will integrate Fortescue's proprietary battery systems and green energy solutions directly into their mining equipment. The machines will also feature AI-assisted energy optimization, remote diagnostics, and smart fleet integration to further reduce operational emissions. Testing has already begun. Fortescue is piloting early prototypes in real-world mining environments. If successful, full deployment will begin across multiple sites, setting a global precedent for clean, heavy industry. This partnership is part of Fortescue's broader commitment through its green energy arm, Fortescue Future Industries, or FFI. FFI is investing heavily in green hydrogen production, planning to fuel its fleet with locally produced, emissions-free energy, closing the loop between energy generation and consumption. From Liebherr's side, the deal marks a turning point. Long known for diesel-powered heavy machinery, the company is now staking its future on sustainable innovation. The Fortescue partnership will help accelerate the development of next-generation electric and hydrogen-based mining equipment, which could soon be offered to clients worldwide. Beyond machinery, this partnership sends a powerful message. Clean mining is no longer a fantasy. It's happening now. If one of the biggest players in the game can commit $2.8 billion to a green future, others will follow. The tech behind the transition. Behind Fortescue's bold green mining shift lies an impressive arsenal of cutting-edge technology. Developed in partnership with Liebherr and powered by Fortescue's own green innovation arm, FFI, or Fortescue Future Industries. At the core of the transformation is the complete electrification of mining equipment. Liebherr is designing trucks and excavators equipped with modular powertrains that can run on either battery electric systems or green hydrogen fuel cells, depending on site-specific needs. This dual-path flexibility allows Fortescue to adapt quickly while scaling infrastructure. These new machines feature AI-driven energy management, optimizing power distribution based on terrain, workload, and battery charge. This makes every load more efficient, reducing unnecessary energy loss. The AI also learns from operating conditions to improve route planning and task sequencing. Battery systems are developed and supplied by WAE Technologies, formerly Williams Advanced Engineering, which Fortescue acquired. These systems are designed for extreme environments, delivering high energy density with rapid charge-discharge cycles, crucial for maintaining productivity in mining conditions. But energy consumption is only half the story. Real-time telemetry and diagnostics enable predictive maintenance, reducing downtime and extending machine life. Fleet managers can track vehicle health, emissions performance, and operational efficiency from a centralized control hub. To support the switch, Fortescue is building its own green hydrogen production plants, powered by solar and wind energy. Hydrogen will be stored and distributed on-site to refuel machines in minutes, overcoming the typical range limitations of battery-powered heavy equipment. Charging stations for electric vehicles are also being constructed near mining zones. These high-capacity chargers are integrated into the energy grid and supported by Fortescue's renewable microgrids, keeping charging emissions free from source to machine. All these systems are tied together through a smart fleet platform, where data from machines, energy systems, and personnel flows into one interface. It's not just automation, it's orchestration. This tech stack doesn't just represent a mechanical upgrade, it's a paradigm shift. Fortescue is turning mines into intelligent green ecosystems, and Liebherr's machines are the muscle and brain behind it. What it means for the world. Fortescue's zero-emissions mining transformation is more than a national achievement. It's a global signal. If one of the largest and most carbon-intensive industries can begin a rapid transition away from fossil fuels, the message is clear. Decarbonization at scale is possible. Mining is responsible for roughly 7% of global greenhouse gas emissions, with most of that coming from diesel-powered trucks, generators, and processing systems. Fortescue's partnership with Liebherr shows that electrifying even the heaviest, most remote equipment is not only technically feasible, but economically viable. This has huge implications. Mining supplies the materials needed for the energy transition: lithium, copper, nickel, rare earths. But if the extraction process itself is polluting, the clean energy revolution starts with a dirty footprint. Fortescue's model offers a way to clean up the entire supply chain, from resource to renewable infrastructure. Other companies are already watching and following. Giants like BHP and Rio Tinto are now investing in similar technologies. International climate bodies are citing Fortescue as a benchmark for industrial transformation. And green investors are shifting portfolios toward companies that can prove climate action isn't just a slogan, it's operational. Developing countries with emerging mining industries are also taking notes. Fortescue systems can become blueprints for clean infrastructure projects across Africa, South America, and Southeast Asia, regions rich in resources but vulnerable to climate risks. On the policy side, Fortescue's leadership puts pressure on governments to set bolder regulations. If a private company can commit to full decarbonization by 2030, then regulatory frameworks should catch up, supporting faster approval of clean tech, better incentives, and stricter diesel phase-outs. This also shifts global expectations. Customers, markets, and governments will increasingly demand traceable, low-carbon materials. The era of green mining won't just be a niche trend, it will be the new industrial standard. Ultimately, Fortescue and Liebherr have proven something powerful. Innovation plus commitment equals global impact. And while the first electric haul truck might roll across the Australian outback, the ripple effect will be felt in supply chains, climate deals, and infrastructure projects around the world. The clean mining revolution has begun. This isn't just innovation, it's a revolution beneath our feet. Fortescue's $2.8 billion leap with Liebherr proves that heavy industry can go green without compromise. From hydrogen-powered haul trucks to AI-managed fleets, this project reshapes what mining looks like and what it means for the planet. It's not theory, it's happening. The future of mining is electric, intelligent, and emissions-free. Australia has lit the fuse. The rest of the world is watching. Subscribe to follow the global shift, because the next mine you see might be powered by the wind, the sun, and ambition. What would your world look like if every mine, every machine, and every operation ran without a single drop of fossil fuel? That future isn't decades away. It's starting now. Subscribe and stay with us, because in our next episode, we uncover the green tech transforming not just mining, but aviation, shipping, and steel. Drop a comment. Which industry do you think should go zero emissions next? The revolution is real, the momentum is global, and your voice is part of it.